Right, here's my recent and last Hurricane I got a kit of. It's the Mk1 Hurricane with a 2-blade propeller. Back in July of 1938, for Bastille Day, 111 Squadron took part in their celebrations in France, back when it was still peace, and they're probably showing off their new Hurricanes. So that's how the livery was in those days. Yellow band around the wing roundel as well as the side. I've got the very early exhaust stack. It's quite different. There's a lot of detail in there, but you can't see it because it's a Hurricane and you can't really see inside a Hurricane. But I've painted everything inside, including a little bit of a brass effect on the gun trigger. Got the technique I use for the, if you can focus, come on focus, there we go. The headlights, paint the silver in the middle first and black around, and fits in nicely. There was no streamline tape for the decal for the gun ports, so I left them as they are, painted in black to suggest a holes, but there's no actual holes there. Most of the kit is up to the usual standard of Airfix with the new tools. It's the same kit as the previous one I built. You can see with the complicated gear, main gear, undercarriage, and weight on wheels. Weight on the thing to focus. There we go. And like the 1930s era aircraft, you've got the actual number on the bottom, which I don't think you get on the wartime aircraft. This was easier to paint because you got the middle all one colour. I used the clear part for the underside light, so if you can see the inside of the coolant radiator. There was various surface detail I could use to know when to paint and when not to paint. There we go, a little bit of close-up of my last Hurricane kit I had to make. Oh, one more thing, I lost a part. There's supposed to be some sort of, if I can focus it, air intake thing there, a silver detail. So I used a bit of plastic rod to replace the part, and again the cockpit doesn't quite fit, but I didn't get around to filling it. Got to the stage I thought I just want to finish it and be done with. Anyway, there we go. One more for the record.